In today's adventure, will the Jungle Explorer find her camera before it's too late? Is a cheeky monkey playing tricks on the Junior Jets? And will Pilot Ollie ever tell a funny joke? Let's go see!
Let's go see!
Junior Jets, today's mission is in the Amazon Rainforest.
The Amazon Rainforest is in South America.
So, what's the mission?
An explorer has been trekking in the rainforest, taking pictures for some vital environmental research. This morning, their camera went missing. Your mission is to find the camera.
Mission accepted!
Let's go see the Amazon Rainforest. 3, 2, 1.
Jumps away!
So the last place I saw the camera was here when I put it down. Good luck, Junior Jets. I sure hope you find it. I really need those pictures for my research.
Okay, it's time to look for clues. Hey! Over here! I see footprints!
Whoa, dude. They're my footprints.
Oh, yeah, of course. I knew that.
Look! The camera's lens cap! And lots of rubbish! Ew!
I don't think that's rubbish. It looks like things an animal would eat. And they've left a food trail.
What should we do next?
We should follow the trail and see if it leads us to the camera.
More footprints? Oh, but what if they belong to one of us? Oh, I'll just look silly again. Whoa! There is no sign of the camera.
Jackson, did you not see these? Another food trail and more footprints. And this time, they are not mine.
Wow! These footprints belong to a spider monkey. They live in the forest tree canopy and rarely come to ground. And they eat things like fruit, leaves, seeds and nuts.
So it looks like our culprit is a monkey.
Oh, but why would a spider monkey take a camera?
Maybe having their picture taken sounded ape-peeling. Yes. Jackson, Grace and Lucas, you follow the new food trail. We'll keep lookout.
Junior Jets, go!
There they are! Deep in the jungle.
Okay, the trail goes this way. Everyone, keep alert.
I'm always alert.
Huh? The food trail has just stopped. I don't get it. It's not like a monkey can walk straight through a tree.
I have an idea. It's probably wrong again. No, wait. I have to try. I'm thinking that the monkey dropped the food, came down to get some of it, and went back up the trees again. There it is. There's the monkey.
Whoa. Now how are we gonna get the camera?
We get it to do what a spider monkey does. And that's why they're called spider monkeys. Here, all your research is saved.
Wow! Thank you, Junior Jets!
Junior Jets, mission complete!
Let's go see! In today's adventure, will Iris ever find her backpack? Is Pilot Ollie lost in the Great Pyramid? And will the Junior Jets make it back to the JJ1 plane before it's too late? Let's go see!
Junior Jets arriving. Detecting Lucas, Jackson, Grace, Iris, Malyk.
Hola, Pilot Ollie is here.
Just Pilot Ollie to go.
Oh, I'm here, all right.
Cool.
Today's destination is Egypt.
Dudes, look at Egypt's flag. It's got an eagle on it. Keep a lookout and see if you can spot the Egyptian flag on our adventure.
Come on, Junior Jets, it's time to fly.
Let's go see Egypt. Ah, there she is, the JJ1.
Time to board.
Right, solar panels activated. Check. Electric plane system energized. Check. JJ1 is good to go. Yeah, high five. Hello?
I have checked on the Junior Jets. They are all seated and secure. We are clear for takeoff.
Roger that. 3, 2, 1.
Chucks
away!
Wowee, it is hot in Egypt.
Uh-huh. It's totally scorching, dude.
I think we're gonna need more sunscreen.
Wait, I have some.
Check out my makeup. Like them.
Aye, my aviatron says that Egyptians used to wear makeup. It helped shield their eyes from the sun. Wow, they look like rock stars.
I don't mean to interrupt your concert, but are you ready to see the Great Pyramids?
Ready, race you there.
Wait, you left your bag. Oh, then I shall keep it safe until you return.
The pyramid is huge. Look how many stones it's made of. Must be hundreds.
Over 2.3 million, actually. And one block weighs about 2.5 tons.
That's about the weight of 25 fridges. Now that's cool.
That joke is older than these pyramids. Come on! I bet there's something amazing inside.
Oh, there's nothing here.
But there once was. Ancient Egyptian writing known as hieroglyphics were faded or destroyed, and the king's gold and artifacts were stolen.
All that's left are hidden chambers and tunnels.
Hidden chambers and tunnels? Whoa, let's get exploring!
Oh, are we under the ground?
Yep, it's a subterranean chamber.
That sounds cool.
Whoa. Where are we? We're in the king's chamber, and this is a tomb for an Egyptian king.
I think I need a drink of water. No! My backpack! Oh, it's not here! My passport's in it! I can't get home without that!
Then let's go find it. Iris has lost her backpack. We need to find it. Let me see here. We're in the Queen's chamber, so that means we came in from that way.
We haven't got long until we need to board JJ1. Let's go, pronto!
My backpack's not here! Not here!
We need to find Iris's backpack, and quick. Do you know where she left it?
We stopped over there to put on sunscreen.
Looking for this?
Yes! Oh, thank you for keeping it safe.
And is your passport inside?
Toothpaste, paper, pens,
All things invented by Egyptians over 2,000 years ago.
passport! Yay!
We need to be boarding JJ1 now!
Get ready for some action.
Hey!
Whew, made it just in time. Come on, everyone. Let's go home. Ready?
Trucks away!
The Great Pyramids are made up of over 2.3 million stones.
Inside, we found hidden chambers that the ancient Egyptians made. Egyptians that wore makeup to help shield their eyes from the sun.
And all of these were invented by the Egyptians.
And we spotted all these flags.
Did you spot those?
Egypt explored.
Junior Jets, over and out. Let's go see!
In today's adventure, Pilot Ollie and Malyk are guarding Buckingham Palace. But are they really up to the job? Something makes Lucas jump and squirt mayonnaise all over Grace. Can you guess what it is? And who would dare steal the king's crown? Let's go see!
Let's go see! Okay, Junior Jets. Today we're going to London, the capital city of England.
We have a very special mission.
You have all been invited to Buckingham Palace, the official home of the King of England. Your mission is to help host a royal tea party and guard the royal crown.
Mission accepted! Let's go see London. 3, 2, 1.
Jumps away!
Welcome to Buckingham Palace. I am the head butler. Now, Ollie and Malyk, you will guard the gates. Polly, Grace and Lucas will make the party food. Jackson and Iris, you have the most important job of all, guarding the crown. Right, let's get to work.
Junior Jets, go!
As foot guards, we have to march. But, does this look right?
Oh, I don't know. I can't see.
Okay, I'm ready with the royal salad cream. Whoa! Oh! Sorry, Grace. Yeah, something brushed past me. No idea what.
Wow. There are a lot of rooms in Buckingham Palace.
Yes, 775 to be exact. This is St. Edward's crown. It is only used for crowning a new king or queen. The tea party guests will get a chance to see it, but until that time, no one is allowed in here.
Whoa, stop right there. State your business. Oh, I'm the tea party coordinator. I'm looking for someone to help serve the Victoria sponge cake, named after Queen Victoria, you know. Anyway, we're running late because the sandwiches have to be remade. The first batch got knocked to the ground. Then one of the corgis ate some of the cucumber and is now running around the royal gardens.
I will calm the corgi. I have his favourite bone biscuits.
I can help serve the cake.
And I'll keep watch over the crown. Intruders, enter if you dare. Where'd you learn to sword fight? Night school? The tea party sounds like loads of fun. And they've got delicious cake. Jackson, why aren't you guarding the crown? Oh, no one was around, so I left it. Just for a moment.
No!
Someone's taken the crown!
Whoever took it had a red rose and, bone-shaped biscuits.
Who had a red rose and dog biscuits?
Oh, the butler had a red rose in his jacket, and he was going to give the corgi some biscuits.
Oh, I say, the butler did it. Come on, let's go find him.
There! And they go this way. There's the butler and the stolen crown.
I beg your pardon, I didn't steal it. I found the crown unguarded, but I had to get the tea ready, so I brought it with me for safekeeping.
Oh, sorry. I shouldn't have left it. I'll guard it properly this time.
I wonder how Jackson's getting on guarding the crown again.
The crown is safe, and the royal corgis are calm. Well done, Junior Jets.
Junior Jets, mission complete!
Let's go see! In today's adventure, will the lost monkey ever find his treehouse? Will the explorer's boat sink? And how will Pilot Polly rescue Iris from the broken bridge? Let's go see! Let's go see!
Junior Jets, today's mission is in the Amazon rainforest.
The Amazon rainforest is in South America.
So, what's the mission?
A spider monkey is lost within the rainforest. Your mission is to get the spider monkey home.
Mission accepted!
Let's go see the Amazon rainforest. 3, 2, 1.
Jumps away! The monkey was last seen in this area. Any signs of it?
There it is! Oh, it looks lonely. Yes, spider monkeys aren't usually alone. They live in communities, usually around 20 monkeys.
It's leaving! Quick, do something!
Iris, Malyk, Ollie, you guide the monkey home. The rest of us will keep watch from the JJ1.
Junior Jets, go! Because the monkey is a wild animal, we need to keep our distance and guide it home.
Good idea. But how?
By coaxing it along with food. But which way do we go?
That's a red-faced spider monkey, sometimes known as the Guiana.
They live in areas north of the Amazon River. So let's head north.
Iris, wait! This is the JJ1. What's your status? Over.
We're just guiding the monkey north. Over.
Copy that. Oh, wait. According to our GPS, you're not heading north. You're heading south. And over.
Oh, it's going to take ages to get the monkey home.
Not if we sail north.
Professor Rodriguez? I haven't seen you since our safari. The professor here is an expert in ecology, which means he studies living things and their environments. And, right, the mission, of course. Professor, we need to head north and quick. Say no more, my friend. You can join my guided tour. Okay, the Amazon River stretches 6,840 kilometers. So the first thing you need to do is hold on tight.
Do you hear all those monkeys? It must be the spider monkey's home.
Good luck helping the spider monkey. They are important to the ecosystem. The seeds they eat are passed through and help plants grow. Thanks, Professor. Cheerio.
A bridge! We'll be able to see where the monkeys are from there.
Iris, wait! You really need to plan this.
I'll be able to see for miles.
Don't worry, Iris. We're here. Pilot Polly, Iris is stranded and needs our help. Over.
Copy that. I have your location. We're on our way. Over.
Look, Iris! It's the spider monkey's friends! We did it! We got the spider monkey home!
And now to get you home.
You were right. I should have planned our mission properly.
Yes, if you had planned ahead, you would have known that the bridge was out of use. At least the spider monkey is home.
Junior Jets, mission complete!
Let's go see! In today's adventure, is Pilot Ollie out of control on roller skates? Will Malyk ever see a New York band? And will Pilot Polly's boat driving skills save the day? Let's go see!
The very important plane room welcomes Pilot Ollie, Pilot Polly, Grace, Jackson, Lucas, Iris, and Malyk. Malyk.
Dudes, we don't have a Malyk.
Sorry I'm late. I was at my music lesson. I love my music.
That's quite all right. We're all here now. So, where we've been, Screen? Where are we off to?
Today's destination is New York City, in the United States of America.
Wow! The American flag has twinkly stars.
Keep a lookout for the American flag and see how many you can spot on our adventure.
Ready, Junior Jets. Let's go see New York!
Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh, hey guys. The JJ1 is solar activated and good to go. Yay! High five! Oh, that's cool. Maybe next time.
Please fasten your seatbelts.
We are clear for takeoff. 3, 2, 1. Chucks away! Welcome to New York City.
Wow!
This borough is called Manhattan.
It looks very, very busy. Is New York the capital city?
New York was the first capital city of America, but now the capital city is Washington, D.C., where the President of America lives, in the White House.
So, what shall we do first?
Look, a theatre. Oh, I'd love to see a New York band play. New York has lots of music and shows to see.
Then let's go get some tickets. Hola, we'd like 7 tickets for today's concert, please.
Yeah, Ritz, it's too late. We just sold our last ticket.
Oh, don't worry, Malyk. I'm sure you'll get to see a New York band at some point.
And New York has lots to see and do. Right, Pilot Ollie?
That's right. Get ready for some fun.
I love New York. Look at all the things we've seen so far. Brooklyn Bridge, Times Square, the Empire State Building. And now we're chilling in Central Park.
Woohoo! This place is awesome! You know what the hardest thing about rollerblading is? Oh!
The ground? Come on! We've got lots more of New York to explore.
Where are we?
The New York subway. It's an underground train system.
Hey, look! My Aviatron says that the New York City subway has 722 miles of train track. Whoa! That's a lot of track.
And would probably take over 10 weeks to walk it.
So where are we going next?
Ah, the Statue of Liberty.
And there's only one way to get there. By ferry!
Whoa! Now that is super tall.
Aye, it's stretching my neck.
That's because the Statue of Liberty is 305 feet tall. Yeah, her index finger is 8 feet alone.
That's about 32 times longer than my index finger.
Does the Statue of Liberty have a band?
Ah, sorry, no. These guys are my friends. Today, I've been working here for 40 years as a tour guide. Yeah, they just came to celebrate and play me a song.
Wow, 40 years is ages.
Ain't it just? And I know every inch of this island and statue. So, why don't I show you guys around? I'm Barney, your tour guide. Follow me, everyone.
I've had such a fun day. I just wish I'd got to see a New York band.
Hey, Polly, I need your help. I've got an idea.
Whoa! This is making me dizzy! You can see for miles up here. Where did Jackson and Polly go? A New York band playing music!
I asked them to come back and play, just for you.
Oh, thanks, Jackson.
Ooh, groovy. Yeah.
We need to head back to the JJ1. Oh, we missed the ferry.
Hey, why not take my boat?
Thank you, Barney. I'll make sure someone from the airport brings it back. It's time for some action. Polly, we need to be boarding the JJ1 now.
Roger that.
Yeah!
Made it. Never in doubt.
Come on, Junior Jets. Time to go home. Ready?
Trucks away! New York was the first capital city of America. New York subway train tracks run for 722 miles.
The Statue of Liberty's index finger is 8 feet long.
And thanks to all my friends, I got to see a New York band.
And we spotted all these flags.
Did you spot those?
New York City. Explored.
Junior Jets, over and out.
It's a big wide world, come and fly with me. What's out there?
Let's go see! In today's adventure, what's making that spooky screeching sound echo through the Colosseum? Is Malyk truly lost in the underground tunnels? And what scares Pilot Ollie? Let's go see!
Let's go see.
Hola, Junior Jets. Today's mission is in Rome, Italy.
So, what's the mission?
Rome is home to an ancient amphitheater called the Colosseum. Today there is an event showing how gladiators used to battle there. But there's a strange noise that is scaring the visitors. Your mission is to work out what the noise is and stop it.
Mission accepted.
Let's go see Rome. 3, 2, 1.
Jumps away!
Over time, parts of the Colosseum crumbled away and were destroyed, leaving only 1/3 of the original structure.
But today, for the Gladiator event, it has been decorated to look how it did over 1,000 years ago.
Amazing!
Impressive, right? It is the world's largest amphitheater.
Buongiorno, Junior Jets. I am Marco, the event director here. Oh, and that noise is scaring my audience away. And now I must go. My, how do you say, cat is missing and I need to go look for him. Ciao.
So, where do we start?
We should try to follow the sound.
Good idea. Ollie, Lucas, Iris, and Jackson, you search up here. The rest of us will go underground.
Activate your trackers.
Junior Jets, go!
I can't believe there are tunnels underneath the Colosseum.
See, and when gladiators battled, these tunnels were used as a backstage area. They would even keep large animals down here, like tigers.
Tigers? Maybe we should check if the others have found the noise. Then we can go back.
There are 80 entrances here. But I don't think we've looked down this one.
Jackson, how far have you got?
Wait, I was just here.
Not very.
Where is that coming from? Where's Malyk?
His tracker isn't switched on.
Whatever it is, it's just around there. I'd better tell the others. I lost the radio signal. Okay, it's down to me. I have to try. It's just my imagination that makes me scared. It's just my imagination. Aviatron torch is going on. Oh, Kitty! Don't worry, I will get you out.
Oh! What's that?
It's me. I found the noise. It was Marco's cat.
Oh, grazie. You found my gatto. And the noise. Thank you, Junior Jets. Now my gladiator show can go on.
Junior Jets, mission complete.
Let's go see! In today's adventure, disaster strikes when Grace opens the box. Can the Junior Jets fix it? Will Pilot Ollie ever manage to hail a black cab? And what happens when Big Ben strikes? Let's go see!
Okay, Junior Jets. Today we're going to London, the capital city of England.
We have a very special mission.
An artist has been asked to make a sculpture for Trafalgar Square. Your mission is to take the big sculpture piece to Trafalgar Square. This must all be done in time for the big reveal.
Mission accepted.
Let's go see London. 3, 2, 1.
Chucks away!
Ah, it's Stacey Edmund the artist.
Oh, Junior Jets, I could really use your help. This is the main part of my sculpture. Take it to Trafalgar Square and wait for me. But please be careful. It's delicate.
Oh, don't worry. It's in safe hands.
Thank you. Right, I better dash. I still need to finish the piece that goes on top.
Junior Jets, go!
Taxi! 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 Ugh.
This is known as Trafalgar Square's fourth plinth. It is the only empty one here.
Aye, but since 1999, different art pieces have been put on top.
See, like Stacy's.
I wonder what Stacey's sculpture looks like. I'm sure I can just take a wee peek. Oh!
Grace, I'm stuck in traffic. Is everything okay?
Aye, everything is fine. I have a new mission. To fix the sculpture before Stacey gets here.
Big Ben is like super tall. My Avatron says you have to climb 334 steps to go up to its bell. Well, I have another interesting fact about Big Ben for you. How cool is that fact?
Wait, I think I've got it. No, that's not it. Maybe it's more like a tower.
Are you sure trying to put the sculpture back together is the right thing to do? What do you think Grace should do?
Hello, Stacey. I dropped the sculpture. It's broken into pieces. I am so sorry.
Right, it's okay. You owned up.
But what are we going to do? The big reveal is soon.
I'm going to tell you how to put the sculpture back together. Can you do that?
Aye, with some help.
Ah, you're back. So, I was telling you this fact about Big Ben and...
Come in, Junior Jets. I need your help.
we're on our way. Next stop, please.
Okay, let's put the sculpture back together.
Junior Jets, go!
There's just one piece missing, and it's right here. Great work, Junior Jets. Now we can get it on the plinth. May I present my latest sculpture for the fourth plinth? On time.
Is that Big Ben, but without the walls of the tower?
Yes, because the name Big Ben actually refers to the bell inside.
That's what I was trying to tell you. Sure it was. Well, at least the sculpture was put back together on time.
Junior Jets, mission complete!
Let's go see!
In today's adventure, will the Junior Jets track down the missing Gladiator? Is Lucas lost in the busy streets of ancient Rome? And how did Pilot Ollie end up with an ice cream plopped on his head? Let's go see!
Let's go see!
Junior Jets. Today's mission is in Rome, Italy.
So, what's the mission?
Rome is home to an ancient amphitheater called the Colosseum. Today there is an event showing how gladiators used to battle there. But the star of the show has gone missing from the Colosseum. Your mission is to find the gladiatrix.
Mission accepted!
Let's go see Rome. 3, 2, 1.
Jumps away!
Buongiorno, Junior Jets. I am Marco, the event director here. You have come to find my missing gladiator, see?
Yes. When did you last see them?
At rehearsal. But without my star, the show cannot go on.
How should we start this mission?
We get a picture of the gladiator so we know what they look like.
Junior Jets, go!
So the missing gladiator Cassia is female.
In ancient Rome, a female gladiator was called a gladiatrix.
There she is.
Where is everyone going?
Lucas, you can't just run off. We need to tell the others where we are. And I need to do more exercise. Whew. Quick, down there. Come in, Junior Jets. We are heading to...
What did he say?
Lucas and Ollie are heading along Monte Testaccio. Let's go!
Monte Testaccio is also known as Broken Pot Mountain. Those broken pieces date all the way back to the Roman Empire.
Yes, I can see a lot of broken pots. But I can't see Ollie or Lucas.
Can you see anyone? There they all are. I wonder where they are going.
There! Oh, no, where'd she go? I'll be back. I need a new brolly. Come on. Whoa, that means Rome Gladiator School. Huh? What is Cassia doing? Hey there, Cassia, star gladiator. You do know you're performing at the Colosseum, like, really soon. What Lucas is trying to say is that Marco sent us to find you.
Oh, hey, you're Pilot Ollie. I've heard all about you and the Junior Jets. You guys are so cool.
Why, thank you. Yes, we're here beyond the call of duty. You see, the point is that Marco is really worried.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realize. You see, I organized a surprise for the Gladiator show to have my students perform with me.
Right. But, Cassia, you should always tell people where you're going. Kinda like I should have done.
The important thing is we are together now, and we can get Cassia and her students to the show. Thanks, guys.
Oh, if you're going to make the start of the show, we need to leave now.
Hey, do those chariots work?
Yes, they're electric. I updated them for the show.
Okay, so, Polly, you take one chariot and get Cassia to her show. Me and Ollie will make sure the students are there on time. The others will let Marco know that we're on our way. I mean, if that's okay. That sounds like the perfect plan.
Marco, Cassia is on her way, and she has a surprise for the show.
Ooh, what surprise! Okay, everyone, hold on to your tunics! Oh, and watch your gelato! Nice hat! We're almost there!
Go, Cassia!
What a really great entrance!
You made it in time for the show.
Junior Jets, mission complete!
Let's go see